Okay, this is stock number 2-16L. This is a 2003 Honda Civic Hybrid. It's got the 1.3 liter Cali emissions, gas electric engine with the CVT transmission, you know, typical hybrid stuff. Had it running for, oh god, almost 45 minutes now. No noises, no smoke, no overheat, no anything. Let's see. This car is a little banged up, but it's actually, mechanically it's very nice. The hybrid system seems to be fine. I mean, there's a bunch of dents and everything all over it, a little bit of rust starting, but underneath looks like it's okay. So, you know, as far as the cross members, suspension, all that stuff, I think it's going to need struts. That's what the guy that picked it up for us was saying. But let's take it for a spin, see what she does. Going to need a windshield. There's Bradley. There we go. Okay. We got 123,440 for miles. Okay. And there is no check engine light on as of right now. However, it was on before. We had a 1356, but I erased it because I found out that it was missing a 15 amp fuse on one of the ignition circuits in the fuse block. So I put that fuse back in, reset the light, and so far it seems like it's good. So let's take it for a spin and see. Okay. I don't know what that was all about. It just kind of stalled on me for a second there. Oh, that's right. Regenerative braking works. Something is definitely going on with the struts. But the transmission seems like it's okay. It's not jumping around or anything. It's not, I mean, motor mount's junk. I can feel that. But the hybrid system seems like it's doing okay. Oop, that's a big pothole. Okay. Climate control seem like they're working okay. Reverse is fine. All that stuff is okay. So, I don't know. I mean, I would say good drivetrain. Seems like everything is working all right that way. Yeah. I think we might actually try and sell this one.